What's going on, YouTube? Alright, I'm gonna try to knock out a few locks tonight. But yeah, this one I got from Sightless Senshi a while back, and I've been trying to go through pick everybody's locks I've never picked from before, so it got kind of placed by the wayside. This one is a Steel Pinnings lock. It is pins, only pins. And then there's his insignia. Works good. It's got a small hang up. If you push in a little bit, it works. So let's see what we can do about getting into this one. Yeah, I know, I just realized I took it out of frame. Forgot I had left the camera zoomed in. Still, same lock. And I wouldn't even begin to have a keyway like that. If y'all can see that, I can't see it in that little display. I know someone's probably going to say something, oh, you took it out of frame, I don't know if that's the right lock. Let me say something right now. If I was going to try to mess with it, I'd do it long before I start the video. But I ain't that way. I like the challenge. So, just zoom on in and see how bad I do with this one. Alright, feels like number 2. And I overset that one right away. Nice. Alright, that was 1. Gotta quit oversetting number 2. Alright. There's 1. We're gonna skip right past number 2. Let me guess and say he took some notes from Lockwood's, because the tops of these pins feel like they're tapered. Then again, it may just be a bad picker and, you know, making excuses. There we are. Got a false set going. Got counter on number 6, I think. Either 5 or 6. It's the very last pin. And we're open. Wow. Alright. Let's zoom out. Just turn the monitor off. That's extra light that messes with the camera. If y'all haven't figured out, yeah, right there, that's my mouse. I sit at my computer desk and pick. So sometimes if my camera's being funky, that's probably why I forgot to turn the screen off. Alright. I don't think I need to shim this one. Got a good follower to fit right on it. Nope, I do need to shim that one. My follower's not deep enough. Alrighty then. Glad I checked that now. Alright. Let's see how bad I screw that up. Not at all. I will take that. I think the last couple of guttings I've done, I've messed up. Alright, we're going to zoom y'all in just a little bit, so I don't have to lean so far back from the camera. Alright, let's see what Steel Pinnings put in here. Just a standard. Must have been a bad picker. That's what I'll count that up to. It's odd. Had a wafer in there. We'll get that figured out when I see what's on top. Because I'm going to bet and say that was supposed to be a drunken school on top. I don't think I watched Sightless Senshi's video when he picked this one. Alright, number one. Yeah, I think a couple of them got turned around in there. Wow. And I have got no idea where my hook went. Grab them out of there. Ah, that's why it didn't come out. Top of that spring died. Forgot to turn that off. Standard. So far we've got a serrated, I believe, was in upside down, and then a spool and a standard. And then there's another spool. Another spool. Looks like all these are commercial pins. And yep, that was supposed to be a drunken spool. Because I got a T-pin with a wafer, and I believe that was supposed to be like that. Which is alright, I'll fix that, and I will turn that serrated around. Do that now so I don't forget to. Alrighty. Oh, forgot to check everything. That's blinding. Yeah, there's nothing in there. And nothing in the top. Bone stock just got a couple of pins in there. Alright, that's the way it was supposed to be. So number one is a serrated, and I believe that was supposed to be flipped it's supposed to be flipped this way. It was actually the other way when it came out. And spool, standard, then a T-pin, I believe, which was supposed to be a drunken spool. So I flipped that back around the right way, and then a spool and another spool. That's what was in Pins Only Pins by Steel Pinnings. So I may repick that one later after I put it back together, just to see the difference. So, oh, my bad. And yeah. If you're not a part of Discord already, go check out Discord. We got a great competition going on right now. We've only got one entry into the competition, and Leon is so far in the lead. So if you haven't joined Discord, I've got a great competition going. I'm sure some of y'all have seen. Let's see here. Let's move that out of the way. I'm sure some of y'all have seen these parts trays that I keep sending out to people. Leon just got one. I've also sent one to Bronx. I send them out at random. But yeah, I've got a new design I'm making up that'll be as part of the prizes. But I'm sure y'all have already seen the video for my giveaway, or not my giveaway, but my contest, explaining the contest. So get over there, check that out. Go check out Sightless Senshi. His channel's in the description. I will link Steel Pinnings' channel. I will link his channel in the description too. So get over there, check all them guys out. And until next time, keep it legal and have a good one.